You can't scale a modern partner ecosystem on spreadsheets, siloed data, and disconnected systems, but that's how most partner programs operate today. With Channelscaler's PRM software, you replace this chaos with clarity. Our core PRM comes standard with a branded partner portal, deal registration, centralized content management system, and built-in training and enablement, all delivered through one modern AI-powered platform. Your partner portal is the digital front door to your channel program, and it's built to scale. Custom branding, marketing messages, event calendars, and tile-based navigation make it easy to engage. The experience is personalized by partner type, role, region, or tier, so every partner sees exactly what matters to them, and nothing they are not meant to see. And we're building AI intelligence into every layer to optimize the partner experience and guide toward their next best action. Deal registration is fast, flexible, and fully integrated with your CRM. Partners can submit, track, and manage deals in real time. Built-in logic streamlines approvals, flags duplicates, and protects the quality of your pipeline. For partners, it means faster approvals, protection, and greater trust in the process. For you, it means more visibility into partner pipeline, fewer conflicts, and better sales forecasting. Enablement is ready from day one. You can create courses and quizzes, assign learning paths, and track partner readiness across your ecosystem. Partners learn at their own pace and stay up to date, while your partner account managers get full visibility into who's enabled and who's ready to sell. Content is centralized, co-brandable, and always current, enabling partners to find exactly what they need, tailored to their region, tier, or segment. Search is smart, version control is automatic, and every interaction is tracked, so you know what's being used, what's being favorited, and what's driving results. Built-in dashboards give you and your partners real-time visibility into performance, from deal status and training progress to content usage and engagement trends. You can see what's working, where support is needed, and how to keep momentum going. And as AI evolves, we're introducing smarter ways to explore your data. From natural language queries to predictive insights that surface risks, opportunities, and next best actions. We also bring something most platforms can't: deep channel expertise. Our team comes from partner operations, channel sales, and ecosystem leadership. We understand how modern, multi-tiered partner programs work, how they scale, and we build that expertise into our platform. Ready to scale your partner program? That's exactly what our PRM is built for. Most customers start with our core PRM platform, then add additional programs like incentives, MDF, rebates, and more, as and when your team is ready. You don't pay for what you don't need, and you don't have to rebuild your partner tech stack every time your program evolves. We scale as you scale. So if you're ready to grow partner revenue, ensure ease of doing business, win partner mindshare and nurture long-term loyalty, empower partners to sell faster and smarter, enable data-driven decision-making, and scale without adding complexity or headcount, talk to Channelscaler and request your demo today.